Hi everyone, it's Hervé. Welcome on Uniting Tastes. So today we are going to do the pancakes. We've already done French crepes. This is like the US version of the French crepes. It's thicker and you can pour some maple syrup on top, put jam, hazelnut spread and so on. This recipe, I did it like 10 years ago when I started my French channel, and I can tell you it's been adopted by many French people, so you can try it at home. Trust me, you're gonna love them. They are very, very light, very fluffy, and very simple to make. First of all, let's separate the egg yolks from the whites. So I'll put the whites here, and that's my main tip actually to make successful pancakes, is to whisk the whites. This will give the very fluffy texture. I'm going to add the milk to the egg yolks, the salt, that's the baking powder, and the flour. So you've got to whisk until there is no more lumps. If you use lukewarm milk, it's going to get easier because the flour will dissolve more easily. So we have a smooth batter. You can let it sit for now, and we're going to take care of the egg whites. I'm going to take my hand mixer, start whisking the egg whites, and add the sugar. Here we are. We can now add these very fluffy egg whites to the batter for the pancakes. So now we add the egg whites delicately into the batter. Very nice. Look, that's the texture you're looking for. We're going to cook the pancakes in a greased pan, so use a little bit of butter or oil and pour a big spoon of butter inside. Make it round. Once you have little bubbles on top of the pancake and you can see the edges are drying, it means you can flip around your pancake. Count 30 seconds on the other side and you have the first pancake ready. So we can continue cooking them. You can make smaller ones, like tiny ones, larger ones. So we have a nice pancake tower, perfect for brunch or breakfast. And I'd like to know in comment, what is your favorite topping for pancakes? Because mine is maple syrup. This is so good. So I wonder, do you prefer pancakes or crepes? Tell me in comments. Well, again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you're gonna make these pancakes at home. If you do, please tag Uniting Tastes, and I will see you next week for a new recipe. Bye!